Okay, so this is Quail House. You come up the driveway, which is quite a distance, and you have the sun in your eyes, and you come up here, and that's our rental car that was parked, and that's summer. And yes, I feel very weird. Okay, and we go inside the house. This is the front door. Pretty awesome. This is the living room. It's a fabulous living room. There is this strange open air terrarium. The roof in here is awesome. And there's the kitchen. And bar. And the bedroom. An ensuite. And then over this side. This is Abed. Oh no, it's Akiba.
Akiba.
Akiba, yeah. Say hello. Hello. See, corridor. On the bedroom. Oh, through here. Another bathroom. Ooh, the bath. Another bedroom. Living room out there. Where are we? Back down here. It's the main bathroom ensuite. Shower and a bath. And the master bedroom. And out here there is a swimming pool and a view. The view goes forever. Back down. This is the front of the house, looking out on the view. And check out this view. It's crazy. Where are the elephants? There's elephants down here somewhere. And then down there. That's everywhere. Anyway. That is Quail House. Well, hey. Should have brought some more people with us. Oh yeah, up here. Awesomely huge room with a table tennis table in it. As you do. I mean, why not put the table tennis in the roof? Ah. So yeah, it's Quail House. Hey, wave.